the fastest way to $1,000 dividends per month. Reaching $1,000 a month in dividends depends on how much risk you're willing to take. The safest path gets you there in about 12-18 years on a one-time investment. Another path does it faster with moderate risk. In this full video, I'll show you 3 different paths to turn your money, even if you only have $5,000, $1 lakh, or $2 lakh today, into $1,000 every single month in passive dividend income. One path is very safe but slower. One is balanced. And by the end, I'll reveal the fastest path that can get you there in significantly less time, all from the same starting amount. Before you pick any single stock or ETF, you have to answer one key question. It's not which dividend stock gives the highest yield. It's not what's the safest company. The real question is, how soon do you actually need this $1,000 per month income? Answer that for yourself right now. If you need the money working for you in the next 5-10 years, there's a path built exactly for that. If you can wait longer, there's a completely different approach. Same starting capital, 3 versions of the plan. Most people get the math completely wrong here. A 4% dividend yield on $10,000 gives you about $4,000 a year right away. But that's only the beginning. The real magic happens through dividend growth and reinvestment. Companies increase their payouts year after year, and every dividend you receive buys more shares that then pay you even more. That's the powerful engine we'll use in every path. I'll break down the exact stocks, REITs, and ETFs for each path, show you realistic year-by-year projections, explain the risks and rewards in detail, and give you a complete step-by-step action plan you can start today. Section 1. The power of compounding. Why this works. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They look only at today's yield and stop there. But successful dividend investors understand the 2-cylinder engine. Dividend growth. Quality companies raise dividends 5-12% plus per year on average. Reinvestment. Drip every payout buys more shares automatically. These two working together turn modest starting amounts into serious monthly income over time. We'll assume no additional monthly contributions in the base projections, to keep it simple, but I'll also show how adding even $1,000, $2,000 per month dramatically speeds everything up. Now, let's dive into the paths, starting with the safest one. Section 2. The low-risk path, safest and steady, longest timeline. For the lowest risk path, we focus on dividend aristocrats and kings, rock-solid companies that have increased dividends for 25 to 50 plus years straight. These are defensive businesses people use every day, no matter the economy. Here are 3 excellent picks for this path. ABBV, leading pharma company. Current forward yield around 3.2–3.5%. Dividend growth history ~10–12% annually, plus strong price appreciation. PepsiCo, PEP. Consumer staples giant, Pepsi, Gatorade, snacks. Yield ~3.84%. Reliable growth even in recessions. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, or Home Depot, HD. Johnson & Johnson for ultimate stability, HD for stronger growth. Blended portfolio stats, ~3.5% starting yield, ~9–11% average annual dividend growth, ~7–9% price appreciation. Detailed projections with $10,000 starting investment. You can scale up or down. Year 1. Portfolio $11,000, $11,500. Annual dividends $350–380 per month. Year 5. Portfolio $17,000, $19,000. Dividends $550–650 per month. Year 10. Portfolio $30,000, $35,000. Dividends $101,300 a month. Year 15. Portfolio $55,000, $65,000 plus. Dividends approaching or exceeding $1,000 per month. This path builds the largest, most stable portfolio by the end because it emphasizes quality and long-term growth over immediate high income. The trade-off is time, perfect if you have 12–18 years horizon. Why these companies? They have strong moats, consistent cash flow, and a proven track record of surviving market crashes while still raising payouts. Section 3. The medium risk path, balanced, faster income. What if you want meaningful income sooner and are comfortable with a bit more volatility? This path adds REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs own properties, apartments, warehouses, retail, and must pay out most rental income as dividends. That's why yields are higher. 3 strong rights for this path. Realty Income, O, famous as the monthly dividend company. Pays every single month. Yield tilde 4.55.5%. CubeSmart, Cube, self-storage facilities. Higher yield tilde 5%, good growth. Agree Realty, ADC, or another retail or industrial REIT with stable tenants. Blended, tilde 4.85.5% starting yield, solid tilde 8-10% dividend growth. Projections with $10,000. Year 1, portfolio tilde $11,000. Dividends tilde $480 plus per month, already higher than low risk path. Year 5, portfolio tilde $16, $518,000. Dividends tilde $800-950 per month. Year 10, portfolio tilde $28, $32,000. Dividends tilde $1, $500 per month. Year 12-15, crosses $1,000 per month noticeably faster than the safe path. This path gives you more cash flow earlier while still compounding. However, REITs can be sensitive to interest rates and real estate cycles, so slightly more ups and downs. Section 4, the high risk of fastest path, aggressive for speed. Now for the path most of you are probably here for, the fastest way. Higher risk, much quicker results. We blend higher yield ETFs, covered call strategies, and selected higher yield names. JEPI or JEPQ, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETFs, 7-9% plus yields using option strategies. SCHD for quality backbone. Realty Income, O, 4 monthly payments. Selective names like Altria, MO, high yield tobacco or utility like Stability, or midstream energy like EPD, with caution. Blended yield, 6.58% plus, aggressive reinvestment. Projections with $10,000 plus reinvestment. Year 1, tilde $550-750 per month. Year 3-5, $850-920 per month. Year 7-10, or faster with extra contributions hits $1,000 plus per month. This is the quickest because higher starting income supercharges compounding, but it comes with more volatility and potential for dividend adjustments in tough times. Section 5, Step-by-Step Action Plan, Common Mistakes and Pro Tips. Here's exactly what to do starting this week. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, 0 commissions. Decide which path matches your timeline and risk tolerance. Research and buy your first shares this month. Enable automatic dividend reinvestment, DRIP. Set up monthly automatic investments if possible. Even small amounts accelerate everything. Track everything in a simple spreadsheet or app. Review annually and rebalance if needed. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Chasing unsustainable 10% plus yields that get cut. Putting everything in one stock, diversify. Selling during market dips. Investing emergency money. Ignoring taxes, use Roth IRA or similar. Pro tips to go even faster. Add consistent contributions, learn basic covered calls, focus on tax efficiency, and stay patient through volatility. Read books like Dividend Growth Investing for deeper knowledge. So there you have it, 3 complete paths to $1,000 per month in dividends. The safe path builds massive stability over time. The medium path balances income and growth. And the fastest path gets you there quickest if you're willing to accept more risk. The best one is the one that fits your life and goals. The most important step is starting today, even with a small amount. Compounding is a patient game, but it rewards those who begin. Drop a comment right now. Which path are you choosing? What's your starting amount or current dividend income? I read every single comment. If this detailed breakdown helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth dividend and passive income videos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're now way ahead of most people. Let's build that passive income together. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.